Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload an assignment submission in Moodle. So, from your Moodle course page, there's two ways to get to an assignment. Of course, the first way is to simply scroll down to the week in question and click on the assignment directly. You can also access the assignment in the Activities focus block on the side of your page by clicking on the assignments. If you do that, it will show you the weeks contained in your class here, all the assignments contained in your class here, and the due date. In this case, there's a book review due Tuesday, February 18th at 11:59 p.m. So to access this assignment, we're going to click on the assignment name. Okay, this shows you that this is your first attempt. You haven't attempted this yet. Your submission status, no attempt. In this particular case, the assignment is overdue. That will information will be displayed here, etc. We're going to click Add a Submission to show you how to do that. Okay, so to bring up this submission page, you'll notice you can just drag and drop a file directly here. If you want to choose a file from your machine another way, you can click this Add File button here. So this will be a file picker dialog. You'll see an upload file selection here. Right here you will choose File. We're going to choose our book review file here. Click Open. That file is now listed here. And we're going to choose to upload this file. Okay, now you see the file appear here. When you're done, when you're ready and you're satisfied with that, you just click Save Changes. Okay, it takes us back to the submission page. Now we can see that our submission status is submitted for grading. That indicates that we have submitted an assignment. It has not been graded. Again, the due date, the extension date, if that pertains to you, the time remaining if the assignment is not yet due, etc. You can see here the name of the file submission. If you want to edit the submission, either the title of the submission or the submission itself, you can click Edit Submission here. But that is all you have to do to submit an assignment in Moodle.